Welcome guys to my vlog. In this vlog I will tell you about how to prepare for Chadar Trek. Chadar Trek is not a high altitude trek. It's the extreme weather conditions that make it difficult. And for that I will let you know 6 points which will be very helpful from the first day to the last day of the trek, and definitely you will enjoy a trek. But first of all, are you mentally prepared to complete this trek? If you are mentally prepared, then definitely you can do any trek in this world. Going. Keep going. First point, exercise. Take exercise very seriously. Start running, do yoga and some weight exercise, because you will carry your bag over your shoulders, so you will need a stronger muscles to carry that. And running, that improves your breathing issues. The second important point is warmers. You should have a very better quality inner warmers and jacket. The outer layer of jacket should have a waterproof coating of around 5000 mm membrane, and the inner should have a breathable range of RAT, that range between 0 to 13, and that should have at least 12, because the warmers are the only thing that will keep you warm. Carry at least 5 to 6 pair of woolen socks or the sweat socks or crawl, and many times you have to crawl over ice because chadar do not form. So many times you have to go up the hill. Important point is items to carry, and the major part of that is shoe. Many people ask me which quality or which brand shoe I should carry on Chadar Trek. You can purchase a gum boot from Leh itself, which is very much proper for the Chadar Trek. The second thing is, it costs around 350 rupees only. You can give that while you return from Chadar Trek to some porter. So the next item will be water bottle. Purchase that with outer sleeve. It will keep the water more warm. Third item should be headlamp. It should have a good lumen. Mind you, good lumen head torch is necessary, because you have to carry that for 8 days. Do not forget trekking pole. And please, I request all of you, do not use crampons. Respect chadar. So the fourth point is food you should carry with you. To do this, you will need a lot of energy, and for that you should carry at least a 500 gram of glucose, some dark chocolates, some nuts. For myself, I make a powder that is a mixture of milk powder, some sugar, Bournvita and coffee. Whenever I drink water, I just pour 2 or 3 spoons in the bottle and I shake it up, and I just, at any time, on any situation, I can have a cold coffee with me. So the next point comes is AMS and the first day preparation over chadar. That is the most important thing. First day preparation on chadar. But I have experienced, what my group member and another group member have experienced, the toughness of the first day, which nobody will let you in the conference, anyone. Okay, regarding AMS, first of all, whenever you will gain around 13,000 feet in a few hours, your body will not be able to cope up that much easy. So try to get a sound sleep whenever you reach lay within 1 or 2 hours. The body will adjust itself. There's a tablet people call Dimox. You won't require that. You should be mentally and physically fit to adjust in any situation. You are a human. You are going for the other track, not an ordinary track. So you should be mentally and physically fit. You won't require any tablets and any medicine at all. So, and the second point is first day preparation. I have suffered a lot. I was the person who was praying to God, please let the sun rise through all night. Not me, my whole group member, because nobody told us what should we do. The day you arrive, Chadar, the day you start tracking, the day temperature is plus 20 degree. And suddenly after 5:30, the temperature drops to minus 15 to minus 20. So what the temperature difference is? 40 degree of temperature difference. How body will cope up in 3 hours? 40 degree temperature difference. Nobody tells you what to do with this. We suffered. We were praying. All we were praying, we can listen the noises in our tents of each and every member through whole night. Nobody was able to sleep. So preparation for that. Do not wear denim. Do not wear jeans at all while you sleep. Prepare yourself for the night. Wear a good pair of cotton trousers with 2 warmers, inner warmers, and a balaclava or a monkey cap. And if you carry a water bottle, rubber water bottle, you just get some water, hot water in it, and keep it near your feet. That will help you a lot. That will help you a lot. 3 pair of socks, woolen socks. Your feet will be so cold that won't let you sleep. So be prepared for that. Do not wear denims. I am again and again speaking. Do not wear denims at all. Drink a lot of water. At least thrice you should be drinking at least this much of water. Thrice. Or make it 6 times.
मारो उनको।
And the last thing that I am asking you personally, do not wear crampons, please. Zanskaris and Leh Ladakhis respect each other. So, if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, as I have started vlog, and I will keep on posting a few videos on regarding each and every track I complete, so that it could help you people. And have a safe journey and best wishes for the track.